Namaste children. We are going to learn Abacus, how to form numbers on the Abacus tool. Okay. So this is in Abacus tool. This is the upper bar, middle bar, lower bar. And you can see the beads, yellow beads are arranged on these rods. Okay. So you can just focus on the white spot on the middle bar. So you have to focus only on the central white spot. This is the ones rod. Ones. So see, when you started the writing numbers, so ones and tens. So when we need to write one, so always we write here 1, 2, 3. We always write these one digit numbers below ones. Okay, we write 10 like this 10, 1 below T and 0 below O. Okay, clear? So these beads, it means these lower beads 1, 2. This was 1, 2. So 1, value of this is 1. Okay. And the upper bead, the value of this upper bead is 5. Okay. How? We'll discuss it. See, this number is formed. See, one bead touches it. This is 0 value. 0. No yellow bead is touching the middle bar, means 0. Now, one bead is touching the middle bar, so 1. 2, so 2. This is 2. 3. This is 4. So, how to show 4? Like this. We show the 4 on the abacus. Okay. This is 5. 5. Okay. Ones rod. This is the ones rod. 5. Now, 6. 7. 8. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. 9 is done. Now, the 10. So, see. One bead is touching at the tens. Tens rod. So 1, 0, 10. 1 and 0. Okay. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1 at the tens, 6 at the ones. 17, 18, 19. Now, see, 2 beads at the tens rod. So 2, 0. This is 20. 21, 22, 23. This way. Okay. How to form 25? This way. See? 2 and 5. Okay. Clear? Now, this 5 is touching at the tens. So 5 at the tens rod, it will be, because this 5 is at the tens, so 5 and 1 says 0. So 50. Okay. 60, 60. 61. Okay, this way. 6, 5. So 60 and 5. 65. Now see, ones, tens, 100. We'll discuss a few. 100 means 3-digit numbers. Okay. So only what you have to see, 0. See, 100 at the 100 rod, 1. Tens rod, 2. Ones, 3. So 123. Now 0. Again, forming a new number. 2 at the 100. 5 at the tens. And 7 at the ones. 557. Got it? One last number. See now. This 5 and this 6. So this is at the 100 rod. So write here 6 at the 100 place. So 600. And this 1 at the tens. 4 at the ones. 614. Children, I hope you are very clear. If any doubt, please write in the comment box. I will sort it out. Okay. And if you like, share with your friend and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.